Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I discuss about three-dimensional box degeneracies and all harmonic oscillator problems. I think these two topics very important for entrance examination. So please see this video very carefully. In general, the stationary state wave function for a three-dimensional box is written as psi nx ny nz equal to, we know, root over of 8 by a b c into sine nx pi x by a into sine ny pi y by b into sine nz pi z by c. Now a, b and c are the edges line of the box and nx, ny and nz are the quantum numbers, and each quantum numbers are independent, and the total energy of the each stationary state is given by nx, ny, nz is equal to h cut square pi square by 2m into n x square by a square plus n y square by b square plus n z square by c square. For a cubic box, the three edges are, we know, a is equal to b is equal to c. Then the energy we can write E nx ny nz is equal to pi square h cut square by 2m square, because a is equal to b equal to c. That means we can get common a square into nx square plus ny square plus nz square. Now we discuss about energy level diagram. If all the three quantum numbers is equal to 1, then the ground state of energy or first level energy En is equal to pi square h cut square by 2ml square, n equal to here nx equal to 1, ny equal to 1, nz equal to 1. That means 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square equal to 3 pi square h cut square by 2ml square. This is the energy. This energy is called 0 point energy, and the degeneracy is 1 for first level. Now if the quantum numbers are 2 1 1 1 1 2 1 2 1, then the sum of square is equal to 1 square plus 1 square plus 2 square equal to 6. So we get the second level energy 6 pi square h cut square by 2m l square, and here degeneracy in this level is 1 1 1 means 3. So second level is 3 degeneracy level. Next, in third level we get three state 1 2 2 2 1 2 2 2 1. So degeneracy is 3, and energy at that state means third level energy 9 pi square h cut square by 2 ml square. For fourth level there are also we get 3 degeneracy 1 1 3 3 1 3 1 3 3. So for 3 level the energy 11 pi square h cut square by 2m square. And next comes the state that have quantum number 2 2 2. So the energy E is equal to 12. That means energy for next level means fifth level E is equal to 12 pi square h cut square by 2m square. Like that you calculate the degeneracy and energy level of a cubic box. Now we discuss some quantum harmonic oscillator problems. Here the problem is the degeneracy of the third energy level of a three-dimensional isotopic quantum harmonic oscillator is 6, 12, 8, 10. So for third level, that means you remind first energy level n is equal to 0, and second energy level n is equal to 1, and third energy level n is equal to 2. And also you remember the degeneracy of a three-dimensional isotropic harmonic oscillator equal to n plus 1 into n plus 2 by 2. Now here problem is third energy level degeneracy we calculate, that means n is equal to 2. So the degeneracy of the third energy level of a three-dimensional isotopic quantum harmonic oscillator is 2 plus 1 into 2 plus 2 divided by 2. That means 3 into 4 by 2. That means 6 is the answer. Now we discuss another simple harmonic oscillator problem. The problem is a simple harmonic oscillator in one-dimensional has an eigenfunction which vanishes 3 times in the interval 0 to infinity and is odd under parity. The energy eigenvalue for this state is 7 by 2 h cut omega, 9 by 2 h cut omega, 13 by 2 h cut omega, 15 by 2 h cut omega. This problem comes BHU 2018. So this is very important. So we solve this problem now. The energy eigenvalue equation, you remember, n is equal to n plus half h cut omega. Now question is, the simple harmonic in one dimensional has an energy eigenfunction which vanishes 3 times in the interval 0 to infinity. So 3 cross over after x equal to 0 will be happened for n is equal to 4. So we can write E is equal to 4 plus half into h cut omega, that means 9 by 2 h cut omega. So answer is B. Now we discuss another important problem which is related with one-dimensional finite potential box. So the problem is a free electron of energy 1 electron volt is incident upon a one-dimensional finite potential step of height 0.75 electron volt. The probability of its reflection from the barrier is, we know the probability of its reflection relation R is equal to root over of E minus root over of E minus V0 divided by root over of E plus root over of E minus V0, that we discuss in our class. So here E is equal to 1 electron volt and V0 is equal to given 0.75 electron volt. Now we put the value. E is equal to root over 1 minus 0.75 divided by root over 1 plus 1 minus 0.75. So 1 minus root over of 0.25 plus 1 plus root over of 0.25. So the value is equal to 1 minus 0.5 root 25 is equal to 0.5 minus 1 plus 0.5. So if we calculate it, the answer is nearly equal to 0.11. So the probability of its reflection from the barrier is 0.11. Next problem is the bound state energy for the state psi 542 in a hydrogen atom problem is given by minus 13.6 by 5 electron volt, minus 13.6 by 25 electron volt, minus 13.6 into 5 electron volt, minus 13.6 into 25 electron volt. This is very easy and very simple problem. So you remind this equation only, that energy state for hydrogen atom En equal to minus 13.6 by n square. Here n is equal to 5, so E is equal to minus 13.6 by 5 square. That means 25. So answer B is correct. Now we discuss one important problem from IIT JAM 2019. So the question is given, the wave function of a particle psi x equal to root over of 2 by L sin pi x by L, limit 0 to L, and psi x equal to 0 L square. The probability of finding the particle between x equal to 0 and x equal to L by 2 is that asked. So we discussed that a problem in my previous lecture. So the probability we know 0 to L by 2 psi star, that means root over of 2 by L sin pi x by L into root over of 2 by L sin pi x divided by L into dx. So 2 by L common, 0 to L by 2 sin square pi x by L into dx. We know sin square theta or cos square theta, full scale integration limit upper limit divided by 2. So answer is 2 by L into L by 4, 2 cancel to each other, L cancel to each other. So answer is half. So probability is 0.5.